My name's Greg. We live here in the Jasper community. We moved in here just over a year ago. First found the house, it was just a slab. Had talked to some of the neighbors about the landscaping and had gotten a couple of proposals, one from Ted and Yavapai Landscaping, and that was the one that we liked the best. We had an idea of what we wanted, but he came up with a plot plan and enhanced it. We knew we wanted a garden area. We knew we wanted the spool. I knew I wanted the golf course and a couple little chipping places and some grass areas. And we knew we wanted to really do it right because this is a pretty good sized backyard, one of the bigger ones in the neighborhood. And we wanted to make it look like we cared, and we do. We love all of it. We have the spool area. We incorporated solar water panels on top of this gazebo right here, and the water stays warm constantly without having to spend any money on heating it. I'm a farmer by trade, and so I know all about hard work. And the crew that Ted brought in with Ugo, his brother, and the rest of the crew, they did an outstanding job. They worked 6 days a week tirelessly basically from sun up to sundown. Now, we do have an HOA here in the Jasper neighborhood, and I've never lived in a place that had an HOA before, so Ted was able to do all of the coordination with the HOA, and we didn't have to deal with any of it. It was a very seamless operation. Ted and Yavapai Landscaping did an outstanding job, so we couldn't be happier with the way it turned out. What Ted and Yavapai Landscaping have done back here is just wonderful, and would recommend them to anybody.